In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to send pictures and videos on Zangi Messenger. By the end, you'll be able to share moments quickly and confidently, whether it's a single photo, a short clip, or something you've just captured in the moment. Start by opening the Zangi app on your device. From the main screen, tap on the contact or the existing conversation with the person you want to share media with. If you don't see the chat right away, head to your Chats or Contacts list and select the person there. This will bring you into the chat window, where you can type messages and, of course, attach photos and videos. Inside the chat, look near the message field for a small paperclip icon or a plus symbol. That's the attachment or media button. It's usually tucked right next to where you type, so it's easy to reach while you're chatting. Tap that icon to open your media options. If you're new to the app, take a second to note where this button sits. It'll make future sharing much faster. Next, choose Photo/Video, or select Gallery or Camera, depending on what your screen shows. If you pick Gallery, you can browse your existing photos and videos and tap the one you want. If you choose Camera, the app will open your camera so you can snap a new picture or record a video on the spot. If your device asks for permission to access your camera or photos, go ahead and allow it so you can proceed. Before you send, you can optionally add a caption or message to give context or highlight what's important. A short description helps the recipient know what they're looking at, especially if you're sharing multiple items in a conversation. Keep your caption clear and to the point, and make sure it matches the media you've chosen. When everything looks good, tap Send. You may see a small progress indicator while the file uploads. Larger videos can take a bit longer, so a stable internet connection helps. Once it's delivered, you'll see the media appear right inside the chat, ready for the other person to view. That's it. Open the app and the conversation, tap the attachment button, pick photo video from your gallery or camera, add a caption if you like, and hit Send. With these simple steps, you can share photos and videos on Zangi Messenger anytime. Thanks for watching, and happy sharing.